Hi guys, just our weekly video. So when we get to our folder, you see our weekly agenda. Let's go over that. This week we are doing 3.2 notes outside of school. So at home you need to complete those, have those done before coming to class. And then make sure that you also answer the questions that are on the slides. A lot of students aren't doing that and they're not getting points for the notes. So there's also questions on the slides that you need to fill out and then submit those when you're done. You will do your 3.2 homework. You're going to show your work for all your problems and then post a picture in the area for that. And then in class, we're going to do a mini lesson and a review activity, and then we'll have some more time to work on that 3.2 homework. So not a whole lot to do outside of school. However, make sure you do get those 3.2 notes done. So when we go through, here's where you can find those 3.2 notes. Make sure that you answer the questions and hit submit. And then here's where you're going to post your showing work paper. And then if you've made it this far, I want you to send me a school appropriate joke. So email me a funny joke that you've heard as long as it's school appropriate, and I'll send you some links bucks. So I'm gonna let you get back to working on your school stuff and email me.